Welcome to another tutorial. Today's video is all for this side updo. It's a great look for bridesmaids, a night out. You can mix this up and have it looser, or you can go a bit sleeker, or you can add a braid into the side of it, so we can do loads of different variations. If there's something particular that you want to see, then drop me in the comments below. I've been hearing from lots of you who've been trying things out at home, but you are too shy to come and comment. So don't be shy. Come and comment below. I want to know what you found useful, if there's any other bits that you are struggling with and you need me to go a little bit more in depth in. If you've got very, very thick hair, this style can work for you too, but if you are struggling to get rid of some of the bulk because you are very, very thick, then go on, not very, very thick, but very, very thick hair. Go and comment and let me know in the comments below, because we can help with that too. If you have yet to follow me on Instagram, you can do that here, and you can also hit subscribe to see any other videos. Now there should be a bell, but people keep telling me there's no bell. Why is there no bell? Can you see the bell? For now, enjoy the tutorial. We're going to leave this section around the front of the face to dress out last. So we're going to come round to the back. So we'll take the bottom sections of our set out first. We're going to put some back combing into there. So I'm going to leave this one for length. And then we're going to take this section and put some back combing in there. You're pushing down and leaving your brush in. Take it back up, push, up and push. This section. And we're going to continue this all across this top section of the hair. So it's a very quick style to get in once she sets in. This style will work with medium hair, long hair and short hair, and it will also work with any hair texture. So please let me know below if there's anything you struggle with. So once you've got all that back section out, with the exception of this side, because it's coming over to this side, but then we're going to take this back. And then you want to make sure you've got any pieces out around the front. And everyone will be different. Some people will prefer this all up, and others will prefer some loose. We're going loose with you?
Yeah, you know me well.
So create some soft pieces. And then we're going to pull this and make this nice and soft. And you're going to continue around the back. Twist this over. The hair grip's going into fold and pushing down, so your hair grip will disappear. In, taking it in and pushing down. And then that final hairpin, if you feel where that is and you want to crisscross two of your hair grips over together. So we have one going down in that direction, so I'm going to take another one up that direction, and then we're going to leave these curls loose. There's also a few links in the comments with a free downloadable to help anybody that's starting out as a hairstylist, and there is also a link through to my online training platform. So if you want to see this makeup look that has been done on Holly before we did this hairstyle, you can also be able to catch that there. Spray these ones, but away from the client's face. Take this out one by one. Taking this up. Into there, and then where your hair bends, we're just going to push a little bit of teasing.
Gorgeous.
Like it?
Mm.
Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.